Okay, I want to welcome you to this in this video which I tag how to enter trade using demo wallet fund. How to enter trade using demo wallet fund. And this video I'm making it purposely because of for the uh all my students that are my followers that has finally registered, verify and fund their wallet, and also they have been added to the our trading signal room. Okay, so basically this training or this video is for those people who has funded their wallet after they have registered, verify, and they are ready to start making money trading binary option on the pocket option platform. Okay, now that you have funded your wallet with $100, $500, $1,000 or more, then what is next? You have also gained access, because after you have funded your wallet, you have to contact me. I must confirm if truly you have funded your wallet. You will contact me, you send your user ID to me for me to confirm if you have funded your wallet. And after I have confirmed that you have funded your wallet, then that is when I will share with you a link that will give you access to our trading signal challenge room, where you will have access to the trading signal that will make you money daily trading binary option on pocket option platform. Okay, now that you have funded your wallet and you have gained access to our trading signal challenge room in readiness to start making or to start trading daily for profit, as in to start making money in dollars trading binary, you have to exercise caution. Why? I will advise that you dedicate at least 24 hours to study, observe and trade using your demo wallet fund, to play around the trading process before using your real wallet fund. Don't forget, you are new into this thing, so you don't need to rush. You will be alive, you will be well alive to make as much as you want to make from this binary trading challenge, but don't rush. That's why I say you have to be cautious. That is, I will advise that you dedicate at least 24 hours to study, observe and trade using your demo wallet fund, to play around with the trading process before using your real wallet fund. You can't avoid to play game, or to play in as to trade with assumption or ignorantly. So you need there are some things you need to understand about the platform: how to enter your trade, how to set the time frame, how to select the pairs, how to pick the direction of the trade movement. Maybe it's going up or it's going down. Maybe you are to buy or you are to sell. Maybe you are to select up or you are to select down. These are the things you have to play around with and see how it play out when you click. When you click, all the basically what I'm saying is that within 24 hours you should study. Number one, our trading, our binary trading challenge. You study the platform, we check with the previous trade call, communication and every other thing, and also check the pin message on the Telegram group. When you enter the Telegram, you will see at the rear top part of the group, you will see pin post or pin message. Click on those pin message to read the important information, rules, guidance, leading and instruction that you must follow in the group. So they are in the pin message of the group. I think maybe I need to let you see. Okay, let me quickly screen show this. Okay, now here is the okay, you can see now, here is our trading group where you will receive signal. You can see now, this is the I think this is 25th today. This is 25th. You can see I'm recording this video on the 25th of October, this 25th. So now when you enter into this group, after you have been added to this group, you can see we now have 279 members. So now these are the pin message. When you click on this pin message, you will have access to all the necessary instruction. For example, now you can see how you should enter uh per trade conservatively. So, and he said if your balance is $10, bid $2. Can you see it now? If your balance is $30, bid $4. Can you see now? If your balance is $50, bid $5. If your balance is $80, bid $5. If your your balance is $100, bid $9. If your balance is $200, so you can see. So that is part of what you need to see, talking about the pin message on the platform. And then if you go again, you see another one. So this another one, you can listen to this audio note. Let me play it to you. You can see.
There is a way you can trade even if you lose 5 trades at a stretch. Let's say you lost the first trade, you lost second trade, you lost the third trade, the fourth trade, the fifth trade, and you won the sixth trade. You can use that sixth trade to cover up all the previous losses. That is what we call the martingale strategy. Okay? It is what we call the martingale strategy, but you must know how to apply it. You must know how to use it. And it is very simple. Okay? It is very simple. Now, let's assume, and for you to apply or make use of the martingale strategy, you must be very disciplined and principled.
Okay, so that
And
is
of
can you
course, you
see
don't.
now? So that is one of those information you need to check through on the pin message. Can you see now? It's about 4 messages on the pin. That's another another audio note again, as it's part of the pin message that you have to listen to. So that is what I'm trying to say. That when you join the group, all you need to do is first of all familiarize yourself with our trading signal platform. Read the previous messages, check the pin message, go through it, listen to it, document, jot down some things that will help you to be successful in your trading, and also to maximize the platform you are joined to get the signal from. Now after you have done that, then like I say, then you can now log on to your account, as in your pocket option trading account. Then when you log on to it now, based on what you have studied here, you can now play around on the platform with your demo wallet fund, not your real fund. You only going to trade with your real fund based on the signal you'll be receiving from our trading from here. So you can't, that's what I want you to understand. Now that you know, here now you want to play around with the trading platform, then play around with it using your demo wallet fund. Demo wallet fund is a free fund that the platform gave you. I think they will normally give Bambi, I think $50,000 for you to trade, to familiarize yourself with their platform, to be able to know why will you enter the trade, how to select the pairs, how to select the time frame, how to select your um the chart, the type of chart. Is it line chart, is it the candle chart or the like. So all this one you have to, and then I will put you through all this in just in a few moments from now. So you trade with using your, you play around on the platform using, as in, I will study, observe and trade using your demo wallet fund to play around with the trading process before using your real wallet fund. I hope you get my explanation. Don't enter any trading assumption. That is why you are added to the trade signal room, not for fun of it, but for profit making. Do you get it now? So you don't try to play around with the platform using your real wallet fund. You use the demo wallet fund to play around with the platform, to see how, what does it have to offer, how does it go on the platform, and then just to test run some things, some features on the platform. So then you use your demo wallet fund. So having said this, so once again, like I told you, please familiarize with yourself with two things. Number one, familiarize with yourself with our binary challenge trading challenge room. Can you see now? That is this our room, and if you look at it, you see there every day there are signals. You can see it. There are signals and there are testimonies. There are signals what to trade upon. You get now. So now after you are familiarized with yourself with the platform as in the trading room, and one thing among other things that when you join this platform, don't mute it. Okay, just look at this one now. If I click on this on your mobile phone, you know I'm accessing my telegram on my laptop. So on your mobile phone, don't mute it, because if you mute it, you will not know when signal comes in. And one good thing I know about this platform is that anything from 8:30, be red at alert. The information will be coming in telling you when the trading will start, and then they will tell you the time frame. So unmute it, let it be on mute, so don't mute it. And then if you look at it now, for example now, today is 25th, can you see now? And they look at the time 8:14. So by 8 o'clock you should prepare yourself. He said, good morning great people. That is our expert, signal expert. E now say we will start by 9 a.m. Can you see it now? So by 8:30 you should prepare yourself on your telegram platform for you to get, and then you say we will start by 9 a.m. and he said 3 minute expiration time. That is the time frame for trading. That is what he's telling us. And again, after that, oh sorry, after that he now said, after that he now say, can you see now, by 8:15 he said 3 minutes expiration. And when it is 9:07, can you say, you say hello, and then the first trade call is CAD/JPY. All this I will show you. You now say next 3 minutes again. So after he called this one, he said next 3 minutes, so we should wait for next 3 minutes. He now say okay, and let's say okay, back is back now, so more signal will be coming in. So at least this one is for today, 25th October 2023. I'm recording this video in the October. You can see now I'm recording this video October 25, as you can see it. So we are live with the signal today. So you get it now. So it's back now, so you just wait patiently, and then for the next call, trade call. Now for example, now this is a trade call. Maybe I will even use this one as a sample. Now that you have familiarized yourself with this and how to position yourself for daily trading, make sure that you don't mute your group, the platform, so that you know when the message is coming in. And also, like I said, go through all the pin message on the group so that you will understand what is expected of you as a member of this platform to benefit maximally. Do you get it now? So now that we have done with that one, the next thing you need to familiarize yourself is with your by pocket option trading platform. So how do you familiarize yourself with it? All you need to do is just log on to your account, like this one on the screen. Can you see pocket option? I've logged in to a new account. So a new account, if you are funded, when you fund, look at this one, you see say QT real, that is, this one is real account, that is your real money. Okay, before I come here, you can see our trade our chart type. The chart type we have is line chart, so we have to change it. Just click on this. When you click on this, I will change it to candle. So you change it to candle. So after I've changed it to candle, I want to make it bigger a little bit. I'll change it to this. So now, after you have done that, then okay, I think I'm okay with this one. The next one now, I want to quickly familiarize you with the trading, the platform. This is the platform. You can see it now. Now, first thing first, if you have funded your wallet with $100, instead of $0.0 here, it will be $100, and that is your real trading fund. And which I said, you must not try to familiarize with the platform using your real money. You have to use your demo fund to play around with it. Now, how do you switch from real money to demo? Just click on this. When you click on this, look at it now, you can see this is demo. Can you see now? This is demo. Can you see now? This is demo. You say, I think I'll play around with this. This one remain $49,000. So click on this. When you click on this, so click on this, it changes. Can you see now? I say Q demo. If you look at it, say Q demo and $49,000. We have $49,000 here. And now, after we have done that, now the next thing is, no, don't forget the same process of trading using your demo money, demo wallet fund, and using your real money is the same process. But this time around, we don't want to trade with our money now, because we want to play around, see what is obtainable, how the platform look like. So because you want to familiarize yourself with the platform. Now that you have done that, now if you look at our trading platform here, you can see it's now, it gave us this platform, says CAD. How do you locate this one? How do you locate this one? You know, he has given us this one as CAD slash the apparent your server down. That is the option. Back down is D. Can you see now? When you say down, or when you say D, or they may call it D, that is the same thing as down. And you may say U, it is up. Can you see it now? That is instruction. Do you get it now? Now, how do we, let's go. How do I go to trade this one? CAD slash JPY. So all I need to do is just come here. Now look at this. This is the our our trade, as in our pair. So what you need to do, just click here. If you click here now, when you click here, you can see we have currency, we have cryptocurrency, we have commodity, we have stock. If you look at it, this stock, this is stock. All what is available here, they are stock, they are under stock. Can you see asset? All these asset now, they are under stock. We have indices, and then I think we have indices, we have stock, we have commodity, we have cryptocurrency. But basically, or in this in our binary trading, we focus more on currency. So I'll click on currency. When I click on currency, can you see now that the pairs changes? And now don't forget, the pairs changes now. Now what did they ask me to trade? If I look at here now, it say CAD slash JPY. Do you see it now? CAD slash JPY. So can you see it now? And he has called another one, it's still CAB. Look at two things now. He said CAD slash JPY and CAD slash JPY OTC. They are two different things. So now if you come here, you can see now, see, we have this. Now if I want to see now, CAD slash JPOT, I'll click on it. When I click on that pair, we have another one that doesn't have OTC. If you scroll down and then look at this now, if I trade this one, what is the payout? That is potential income, 92%. If I trade it and I win, I will gain 92%. That is, if I put, let's say, $10 to trade, that means that I will gain $9.2 if I win the trade. So now if I look at it now, I select this. When I select this, what is the time frame? Please be sensitive. The time frame says 3 minutes. So I will come, I will invite the first things first. Before you even select your pair, you must have selected your time frame. Look at the time frame here. Here is the time frame. The time frame here, if I look at the time frame here, can you see now? The time frame here is 3. I may change it. So you can change it to 5 minutes. Can you see it now? You can, or you can change it to 4 minutes or 3 minutes. So when I click on the minus sign, it will reduce it, the time frame. If I click it, it will increase the time frame. Do you see it now? So can you see it now? So then we are told to select 3 minutes. So you can see now what is time frame we have. When you click on this, it will show you the time frame. The one that is not available here, you can use plus or minus to increase it or to reduce it. Do you get now? We have 30 minutes, we have 5 minutes, we have 3 minutes, we have 1 minute, we have 30 seconds, we have 15 seconds, we have 5 seconds. Now that we have done with that one, now I've said, okay, I've set my time frame to 3 minutes. Now, how much do I want to trade with? I have 10% of this should be something like $400. So, but select um let me select $20. Okay, let me select $20 or $30 or $40 or $50. So I've selected $50. Okay, now don't forget you have to use what is given to us here to trade. When you are trading real, can you see now it has been given. Now CDE whatsoever 3 minutes, it said up. You see CADJPY up, EURNCDOTP OTC down. Can you see it now? So but let me still focus on this one. I will now come here and now say okay, it said sorry, it said was it it said up. Okay, it said up. So let me just come here. Don't forget we are using demo. You now say up, it's going up. So up, can you see now that when something is up, you select higher. When it is down, you select lower. So that is the button to place your trade. Now after you have selected the time frame, you have selected the amount, then you can see the payout. How much are you going to gain? That is 92 percent. So 92% of $50 will give us, that is about $46, because the payout will be what? Can you see now? $46. So the next thing just that I just now to, because don't forget that the trade signal said up, U, D is down. This one say U up. So what I will just do, I will just come here. I will now click up, that is higher. If it is down, that is lower. I will now click higher. So I've played the trade. Look at it here. Can you see now? CAD/JPYOT 92, and then in the next 3 minutes it will go up. Can you see now? The trade has started. If it move up within the next 3 minutes, I will win it, and you will see the changes here. Do you see it now? So and then let's go to another signal given. We are given another signal, that is EURNCNZ. Do you see it now? So I will come here again, and that is the beauty of when you have enough money in your wallet. It will help you to trade many and then make money more. Do you get it now? But the truth and advice is that you may not need to trade everything. You just pick one. Maybe out of 10 trades, you are able to trade 4 or 5 and you win it. It's better than trading the 10 and you lose. Do you get it now? Especially based on whatsoever you have in your wallet. Do you get it now? So now I think we have the next signal, EURNZ. So I will come here. I will also select this one also. I will just let me search EUR/NZ. So can you see it now? Just select it. I've selected it. So can you see it now? And what is it saying? It said, what is the signal? It said down. That is down. So I will now come here. 50. I will also 3 minutes. Okay, down, that is lower. Okay, it's 50. I'll say lower. So can you see now? Lower is going down. That means lower. But if it is up, that is higher. Follow the instructions, sir, ma. If it is say higher, up, that is higher. If it is say down, that is lower. Can you see it now? And then let's quickly. So I believe you get the instruction now. I believe you get the instruction. I believe you get the instruction. And now in the next moment we will see if we won the trade or we lose it. So I believe, so can you see now the trade is going. Look at this one now. Look at this one. Okay, so if we won it, good. If we don't win it, good, because this is a demo something. And among other things, that you have to be very fast when you are trading. You must have a very strong internet connection wherever you may be. You must have a very strong internet connection so that it will help you to be able to get it right. Shey you get it? Okay, so that is what I will say. You will need very good internet connection. You will need very Okay, so that is how to trade with your what do you call it, with your demo. So just to play around. The more importance, you know, why I want you to play with demo is so that as you are joining, you don't start trading. You just have to play around with the platform using your demo in the at least for few minutes. Shey you get what I'm trying to say? Maybe for few hours, just to play around with what is obtainable. Make sure you follow the instruction, change the fonts to demo. From after you change it to the change it to demo, you can now play around, selecting, look at the pairs that we have. Do you get it now? For example now, like I say now, we have two different pairs. Like this, we have the one with OTC. If you scroll down, you will see the one without OTC. Can you see now? Look at this one, it doesn't have OTC. This one doesn't have OTC. This one doesn't have OTC. No OTC. You can see now, because in our group they may call. I think you can see now. We convert. Look at it today. Today's trading, we won. We won this. We say see whatever won. This one also won. That is two trade, two win. Can you see it now? Two trade, two win already. So that is 100% win already. So more is still coming. So like I told you, the trading may be called that may not have OTCs, may be card CAD/JPY without OTC. You should know the one to go for. So don't make a mistake of the one without OTC and the one with OTC. You have to be very sensitive and give attention to detail based on what instruction given on the platform. So I believe with this now, we have learned something, and you have seen how to play around with the platform. First thing first, you change your currency. You change to currency. Like I say, we have currency, we have crypto, we have commodity, we have stock, we have indices. So we trade more on currency, and we have different currency pair. We have the one with OTC, we have the one with non-OTC. When you hear OTC and non-OTC, you should know that the one that has OTC and the one that doesn't have OTC. So when there is a trade call, you have to be sensitive of what does he have. Is it the one with OTC or the one without OTC? So when you have seen that the one with OTC, so you can be able to enter the right pair. So because if it calls card CAD slash, let's say for example now, if you call CAD slash JPY OTC and you went ahead, you go and type CAD slash JPY. Can you see now? Can you see now? Can you see now? CAD JPY is different from CAD slash JPY OTC. Can you see now? And you can see each pair in front of it will show the percentage of profit you will make when you trade and you win. Can you see it now? So please, you have to be very sensitive to this trade call. So that is that. Now after you have selected the currency, then it is now left for us to select our pairs based on what they are calling for us. So that's that. And now after you have done that, the next thing, you come to the time frame given by our instructor. Don't forget, immediately you start the day, he said that we are trading 3 minutes. You can see now. You can see next 3 minutes. That is it. Next 3 minutes. So you can see next 3 minutes. So you can see that is that. He said next 3 minutes is his time frame. He will give us the time frame, In fact, every morning when we start the trading, you see now, if I follow the instruction, say hello CAD slash J. You can see now this one doesn't have OTC, and he say down. He said next 3 minutes. Do you see? Is the next 3 minutes. That is 3 minutes time frame. Now say back, down, down is D. So when it's mentioned D, you should know that it's talking about down and so many. So that is when you are here for profit, following instruction. So let me play around again more and more. So now we've said you set your time and then you set your amount you want to trade with, and then the amount you want to trade will be depending on what you have in your wallet. If you have $100 now, you can only trade with 10, maximum between 5 to 10 dollars, 10% of your fund. Do you get it now? For example, now if you have $100, it is expected that maybe you trade minimum of $5 per trade and maximum of $10 per trade. Do you get it now? So as you are starting up as a newbie that just enter, I will advise that you use $5 to start. So as you are growing and you have stabilized your emotion and you have more master your emotion and every other thing trading, then you can increase it. So that is what I will advise to all our members that are just joining newly, so that you will be able to manage your emotion and your greed. And also you must have uh profit target. That okay, if I win 5 trade, or let's say okay, if I make $20 daily, I'm okay. If I make 20 $30 daily, I'm okay. So if you have that one now, no matter the number of trade that comes. For example, now if you trade like 2 or 3 call and you have $20 made, then you call it a quit for that trading session, and then you know that you have achieved your aim for that day. Don't let greed push you to want to shoe more than what you are budgeted for. Okay, do you get it now? So let's say assuming I want to trade this one again, I will just say down. The way the something is moving is going down. Let's say I will just say okay, down. Let me go, and I can change it to, let me say, um can change it to like just let me change this one to 5 minutes. I'm only playing around. I'm only telling you what to do. So that's the so that's the so I will say down. Okay. So okay, now look at it now. Here is an example of a non OT OTC pair. Can see JBP CAD. So let's look at it. You can see now. I think it's a 2 minutes trade or whatever. You can see. So just let us see EU and USD. Let's just play around with that one. So you can see how to go about it. EUR USD. You can see now. So I will select this one. 72% return. While this one 92% return. And then I think what is the, you can say down. So down. I will just select 2 minutes. So I will click on high to down, so it is lower. So that's it. You can see now I've placed the order. I've placed it now. It will be going down like that. So you can see now. If it goes down in the next 2 minutes, I win it. So play around with your I've been playing now. All we have been doing, we are doing with what we are doing with our demo whatever. Is that okay? So now let's see another one that is non-OTG. This one is GBPCAD. We'll just come here and then GBPCAD, I think CAD. Okay, can see now. Just type it, select it. Just selecting it, you can see now. Think what is the signal? Signal said hop. Yes. So just hop. I can just say 2 minutes hop. So let's see for 2 minutes. And then another one, send another one here. GB USB whatever. Okay, this one GB US hop. So those are the things you have to take note. GPUSD hop. I'll come here. GBPUSD. Okay, select, then say up. So anyhow, I will up it. Okay, let's see what will happen in the next few minutes. So these are the open trades I have. This one is open, this one is open. I think this one is open. So I click here. These are the closed trade. So these are the closed trade, and these are the one I won the trade. I want this, I want this, I want this. Those are the using demo. Can you see it now? I want it. So at least today, this morning, I've won so many. Can you see it now? At least I won one. All the one green. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, and the one white, that is one I lost. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 against 8. So that is it. So that is simple how to go about it. So please use your demo account to familiarize. Just play around with it. You have nothing to lose. Play around with the pair, with the time frame, with the kind chart type, with the time frame, with the amount, and with the, maybe you are going, you want to sell it, or you want to up it, or you want to down it. So just play around with it. So I'm only trying to use your demo to be able to understand some terminologies, that some terms, some features, both on the trading platform and also on our signal room as it is here. Do you get it now? So please watch this video again and again and play around with the platform, the group, the signal room. You said this is the signal room, and the um trading platform. So please familiarize yourself with it. Play with it maybe 1 day, 2 days before you now start trading with your real money. And now when you want to start with your trading with your real money, you can now change it. You can see now Q demo. You can change it to real. So here is real. Click on it. If you know, when you are changing to real, at least you must have funded. So your real money will show here, maybe $100, $500, whatsoever dollars that you have here. So that is when you can now begin to trade and you make money. Like I said, use 5 when you are starting. Start with 5% of your start with 5% of your wallet fund. So to get started, so as you are going, in fact you can start with smallest, maybe even start with 2%, 3%, just to test everything. So when you gain confidence with the platform and with the signal, you can start increasing it. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe that it will be helpful in taking decision and planning trade. So see you in the trading room where you make profit regularly. God bless you. See you at the top.